はい、皆さんこんにちは。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強していきましょう。今日は5つの漢字を勉強します。Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn 5 kanjis. Okay, the first one. It looks a little bit overwhelming, but no worries. I'm going to explain it. Okay, strokes. 1 and 2, all the way from here. Okay, just one stroke. This is just one stroke. Okay, the second stroke. And then do not forget to brush stroke here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is easy, right? Like 土曜日, do or soil, 土. Okay, the next one, 1, 2, 3. It's a kuchi, mouth. Okay, this is just one stroke here. Then next one is this. Okay, then the next one is a little bit difficult because one, just stop it. Okay, it's like a te, right? Hiragana te, and then a little bit here. Okay, then last one is from here and then all the way. Okay, all the way. Then this part, actually this part, okay, this part is called shinnyo. Shinnyo is name of the vertical here. Okay, shinnyo, this one, which means walk or advance. Okay, then kunyomi, we don't have kunyomi. Onyomi is shoe. Onyomi is shoe. By the way, meaning is week, of course. So for example, senshu is last week. Senshu. So sen, this one is like same as sensei, right? Teacher, sensei. Sen means previous. Okay, previous. So senshu means last week. Konshu, so kon, this one is ima, right? Ima, present or current. So konshu is this week. So laishu, this kanji is kuru or kimasu, so coming. So coming week, which means next week. Okay, senshu, konshu, and laishu. Okay, the first kanji was so difficult. Okay, 11 strokes altogether. それでは次に行きましょう。Okay, this is very simple. 1, 2, then 3 from top to down. Okay, 3. This is 3. Then 4 and 5. Just keep in mind that the first stroke is longer than the second stroke. Okay, as it looks. Okay. Then bushu is tree. So you can see tree here, tree, okay? This one. The meaning of it, end or close, end or close, okay? Kunyomi is sue, onyomi is matsu. So let me give you some examples. Sue is end, but we don't actually use that much, sue. We use the combination kanji of this kanji. For example, suekichi, suekichi. Have you ever tried drawing fortune slip in a temple in Japan? If you have done that, you've probably noticed that there are 5 or 6 results of the fortune slip. So one of them is suekichi, suekichi. Somewhere right here. Sue, and then kichi. Okay, kichi literally means luck. So sue is not bad, not good. Okay, suekichi. The best luck is of course daikichi. Dai plus kichi. Dai kichi is the best luck, excellent luck. Okay, we have chu kichi as well. Chu is middle, right? Chu kichi. Okay, this order, right? Chu and then kichi. Okay, chu kichi. And of course, shou kichi, we have shou kichi. Shou kichi. So dai kichi, chu kichi, shou kichi. Best luck, okay, fair luck, and then a little bit luck. And suekichi is very close to shoukichi, so not bad, but not really good. Okay, suekichi. Then shumatsu, we did it. Weekend. So shu is week, right? And then end. Okay, so literally means weekend. Getsumatsu, same. This is getsu in kun reading. So getsumatsu is the end of the month. Okay, let's go to the next. 次に行きましょう。 Okay, this one is not that hard. Okay, the first one, 1 and 2. So this is called ninben. So here, bushu is ninben. So which looks like a I, katakana I, which means human. Okay, then 3, 4, from top to down all the way. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6. The meaning is rest or day off. You take day off. Kunyomi, yasumu. So mu is okurigana. Okurigana is a hiragana part after kanji. In this case, mu is okurigana. Onyomi, kyu. So here's the examples. Yasumi, yasumi. So in this case, mi is okurigana. Okay, yasu is kanji, right? Yasumi means break, day off, or holiday. For example, 明日は休みです。Meaning, I'll have a day off tomorrow. 明日は休みです。休日 is holiday or day off as well. And then 休校. So 休校, Q and ko, both of them are long vowel, right? Q and ko, which means temporary school closure. You can say 今日は休校です。Meaning, we will have a temporary school closure today. Okay? The next one. Okay, the first look, this one. Next, 2, and 3, 4. It's exactly same as heat, right? Heat, day, which we learned before. The next one, this is like same as soil, 土曜日 or 土, right? Soil, 土. And then 1, 2, don't forget to brush stroke here, and then 3. Altogether, we have 10 strokes. The meaning of it, time or hour, depending on the context. Bushu, radical, is day or sun, this one, right? Left part. Kunyomi, toki, and onyomi is ji. Let me give you some examples. Tokidoki, tokidoki. So this one, so we call this second kanji odoriji, odoriji, which is put when you repeat the same kanji twice. So if you see this kanji, which means it repeats the first kanji, okay, tokidoki. So sometimes the reading is changed, okay, tokidoki. Another example is hisabisa. So hisa and bisa, okay. So this one is actually repetition of this kanji, hisa, bisa. But this is hisa. And then second kanji, odoriji. This is bisa. So a little bit change, right? In reading. Hisabisa, hisabisa. This kanji is sometimes called nomaten, nomaten. So katakana no plus katakana ma, right? No plus ma. So it looks like the same as this, right? So no, ma. So we say nomaten. Second example is nanji. We did it before. 今何時ですか? What time is it now? 今何時ですか? Then, if you answer, 7 o'clock. 7時です。7時です。Okay? By the way, the right side of this kanji is temple. 寺. 寺, which means temple. Okay? Just keep in mind. Okay? お寺. We say お寺. We put o because o is one of the honorific prefixes. Okay, お寺, お寺. Okay, the next one. Okay, it's a little bit difficult. The first one is this one, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, okay? Then 5, 6 is this one, 6, all the way. And then brush stroke here. Okay? Then 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 10, right? 10 stroke. And then 11, 12, altogether 12 strokes. 12. Meaning is interval or space. And then bushu is this one, gate. If you exclude this kanji here, only this kanji is read mon, which means gate, mon. Kunyomi is aida or ma. Okay, have a look at this. この間 means the other day or recently. この間. Okay, the second one is 間に合う to be in time. Okay, ma is here, right? 間に合う. So if you want to say, I will be in time. 間に合います 音読み is 間 So look at the third one. 時間 which means time. And 1週間 1 week. We did it this kanji, right? 週1週間 1 week. Okay? 少し難しかったですね。As usual, I'm going to put this kanji sheet in my description so you can download it in order to practice. では最後に一緒に練習しましょう。リピートしてくださいね。今週、先週、末、週末、月末、休み、休日、休校、時々、何時、この間、間に合う、時間、1週間。OK? できましたか？それではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。